Welcome to the Word Power Made Easy session number 16. We are now going to discuss little more about the origin and etymology of the words which we already discussed, but this is going to give you little more insight of the words. For example, chronic. Now what is the meaning of chronic? Chronic means it is coming from chrono. Chrono means time. So something which is related to time. Chronic means the Greek word chromos, and chromos means time. So now chronicity. Now whenever we are using an against any other word, then whatever the meaning of this word, if you put an before, then the meaning will be negative. So achrononism, anachronism means something is out of time, out of present time, or it is not contemporary, or it is of a different era. An adjective is achronos. So science fictions are achronos. So if you look at the science fiction, it's talking about technology which we have not seen, or maybe it may come in the future. So it is achronism. Achronos means something not connected to the present situation. It may be about the future or it may be about the past. So achronos means a possibly future technology. So it is called a science fiction. Incongruous. Now when you are writing any spelling, but before spelling if you are writing in, then the meaning will be little negative. And con means with or together, and in con, when con and in is going to come together, in plus con, or in con means not matching or odd. Thus incongruous is to wear a sweater and slack in a formal wedding, so something which is very out. So you can say incongruous. So there is a congruent triangle, in geometry there is a congruent triangle, means triangle which are same height, same size, same angle. It is known as a congruous triangle. Incongruous means not equal, not same or odd. Achronos means not match with the current time. Chronos means to current, and an means not current. So chronicle means, for example, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or 21, 22, 23, or 1971, 1972, 1973. Now if you look at the arrangement, this is a day-wise arrangement, this is a date-wise arrangement, and this is a year-wise arrangement. So we can say this is arranged in a chronological order. So chronometer means a timepiece which showing you the accurate time. So chronometer is generally found in sheep. And chronometry, prefix, when there is a sin word against any other word, then sin means together. And nizd, if it is a suffix means after some spelling, if izd is going to use. So sin ivino and nice, synchronize. So chron means time, so sync means same time, or cause to happen at the same time. If you and your friend synchronize your watches, you set them at the same time. Disease, suffering and tilling. What is the meaning of pathology? Pathology is a science of disease. It is nature, its causes, its cure. And pathology, abnormal physical condition, is not healthy. And pathologist, an expert to examine the tissue, often by autopsy or biopsy, of a diagnosed disease. Pathos means sometime the real meaning of patho means disease, but sometime it in English word patho also means feeling. So if you feel suffer with someone, then you are sympathetic. Greek word sim means with or together. So sympathy, sympathize. Sim means of the same, and anti means against. So antipathy, we know pathy means feeling, and antipathy, when you do not have any feeling for someone else, or you have a strong dislike or strong hostility to someone, then you have an antipathy. When you have a strong like, then you can say you have a sympathy. But when you have no feeling at all, just indifference, not good feeling, not bad feeling, no feeling at all, then you have a lack of interest, and you can say apathetic. So pathetic and apathetic means no feeling, and apathy means no feeling. Apathy means no feeling. But when you are sensitive and share the feeling of others and also identify with those feelings, then you have empathy. And pathetic means such a person who arouses sympathy or pity. Pathetic means in very painful and very tragic. So it is called pathetic. Telepathy, tele means distance and pathy means feeling. When you can share your distance from the far end, it means it is known as a telepathy. So communication occurs when people can feel each other through a distance, then it is known as telepathy. Now here is a word of etymology. You can use the prefix, root and suffix. The meaning is already been given and you have to find out the English word. So chrome, chronology, analogy, or apathy. Con means together, consummate. In means negative, so incorrigible. Logos means science, so pathology. Metron means measurement, so chronometer. Synchronization, synchronize. Pathos, pathology. Anti-social or antipathy. Emphatic, telegram, television or telepathy. Now here is the words and you have to match the words. So first word is a chronicity. Chronicity means condition of continual or repeated recurrence. So it is known as chronicity. Anachronism. Anachronism means something is not of related time. Something is not of relating of the time. So out of time. So anachronism. Incongruity. Incongruity means something is not same. Incongruity means something is not same. Something or state of being out of people. Chronology. Chronology means time wise measurements of time accurately. No, that is chronometer. So you can say calendar or event in order of occurrence as per time. So it is known as chronology. Chronometer. Chronometer. Chronometer means time wise device that measures the time very accurately. So you can say this is chronometer. Chronometry. Chronometry, measurement of time. Pathology. Pathology, act of occurring or causing to occur. Synchronization means something occurring at the same time. So this is 7. Pathology. Pathology means disease. Sympathy, sharing or understanding of another feeling. So this is called sympathy. And telepathy means telecommunications from a distance. So this is known as telepathy. Now here you have to match pathologist, one who examined the tissue to the diagnosis of the disease. So this is 1. Antipathy. Antipathy means hostility or strong dislike. Apathy. Apathy means lack of feeling or no response. Then empathy. Empathy means identification with other feeling. Synchronize. Happen or cause to happen at the same time. Empathize. Share of another's feeling so strongly as to experience those feelings to oneself. That is called sympathize. Anachronous means out of time. Incongruous means out of place. Synchronous. Incongruous, out of place. Synchronous means occurring at the same time. Pathetic means suffering or arousing sympathy or pity. And telepathy, relating to extra sensory perception, is known as telepathy. Do you understand the words? Are these dates are in chronological order? 1942, 1941, 1586. So it is not chronological. It is not as per the year. The chronological event will be 1941, 1942, 1586. Then it is chronological. Is pathology the study of healthy tissue? No. A telepathy response show an understanding of the another's feeling. Yes. Does a sympathetic response shows an understanding of the another's feeling? Yes. Is one antipathic or things, ideas or people one find agreeable? Antipathy means not agreeable. Do apathetic people react strongly? Apathetic people react strongly. So no, apathetic people will not react strongly. Does empathic response show identification with the feelings of another? Yes. In a swimsuit, incongruous attire at a formal ceremony? Yes, because in formal ceremony you cannot wear the swimsuit. Is an anachronistic attitude up to date? Anachronist means not to the present time. So no. A synchronistic movement out of time with one another? No. Synchronous means same time. So yes. Out of time with no. Synchronous means same time, so no. Can you recall the word in order of time? In order of time. It is known as chronological. Chronological. Out of place. Incongruent. Out of time. Anachronist. Anachronism or anachronist. Let's see. Anachronous. Something or state of being out of place. Incongruity. Lack of feeling. Apathy. Measurement of time. Measurement of time. Chronometer. Chronometer. Study of disease. Pathology. Feeling of hostility or dislike. Antipathy. To occur or cause to occur at the same time. Cause to occur at the same time. Synchronize, guys. Evoke sorrow or pity. Apathy. Evoke sorrow or pity. Pathetic. Not apathy but pathetic. Something out of time. A chronos. State of recurring again and again. The chronology or what you can say, 12 chronic. Extrasensory perception. Extrasensory perception means it is extrasensory perception, extra telepathy. One who examines the diagnosis to disease is pathology. Identification with the feeling of others. Sympathetic. Happening at the same time. Synchronize. Skillful at the thought of transference without sensory communication. Telepathy. Calendar of events in time of chronological. Referring to the measurement of time is chronometric. So here we are ending the chapter number or session number, I think 16. So here we are ending the session number 16, and I'm going to put the PDF in the description box. Kindly download it, practice it till you become perfect. Thank you very much.